You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to repost someone's Instagram story to your own story. First, you need the person's permission or they must have a public account and allow resharing. When you see a story you want to share, look for the paper airplane send icon. Tap this icon. From the menu, select Add Post to your story. Instagram will now create a new story draft with their story as a sticker. You can move, resize, or rotate this sticker. You can also customize it by tapping on it to change the style or color. The original poster's username will be visible, and viewers can tap it to go to their profile. Add your own text, stickers, or drawings if you want. When ready, tap your story to share it publicly to your own story for 24 hours, or tap Send to share it privately with specific friends. If you don't see the Add Post to your story option, the account is likely private, or they have disabled resharing in their story settings. They can disable this by going to their privacy settings, then story, and toggling off allow resharing to stories. For more simple Instagram tips and tutorials, subscribe to the channel.